Hello and welcome to HRA Life TV. Today we're going to look at conspiracy theories. More importantly, we're going to look at Nibiru and its predicted arrival this year. Conspiracy theories, there are lots of them, from JFK, UFOs, chemtrails, Lady Diana's death, you name it, there is a conspiracy theory about it. All sorts there. But Nibiru is the current flavour. Quite a few times over the last few years it's been predicted that Nibiru is going to appear and destroy all life on Earth. Did the dinosaurs end that way? You know, we don't know. But Nibiru is a supposed planet that is going to appear sometime in our night skies and either collide with Earth or cause some kind of gravitational influence which will cause earthquakes and the continents to fracture, volcanoes to erupt and essentially end all life on the planet. And what I aim to do today is demonstrate what will happen when Nibiru appears and collides with Earth. Now I've got a model here, there we go, or representation. This represents the planet Earth. Nice sphere, there we go, floating in space. Now then, I also have, hang on. Right, no, I don't have a model of Nibiru. I don't have a model of Nibiru at all. And the reason is it doesn't bloody exist, you bunch of pillocks. Thank you.